Alright everybody, welcome to This Dude Bakes. We're going to get right into it. First we're going to take the cream cheese, powdered sugar, and 1 egg and whisk them together, blend them together real well. So you want to blend this together until it's fairly smooth, and later we're going to put it in a pastry bag and fill up the muffins with it. Now this is where you want to take all your dry ingredients, your all-purpose flour, your sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and whisk those together. Now you can take your egg, pour that in, add in your melted butter and your orange juice, and just whisk this all together till it's blended really well. Just make sure it's pretty smooth, you have no major lumps in there. Now you can add in your dried cranberries. Just mix it till it's incorporated. And now we are ready to scoop muffins. So this recipe is going to make 1 dozen muffins. And you can take your scoop and just put them in as evenly as possible. If you have extra, you can drop it in with your hands too. So now I have a disposable pastry bag ready, and I'm just going to fill it up. Whoops. Made a little mess there, but fill it up with this cream cheese filling, and I'm going to cut the end off. And what you want to do is just stick the end right inside the muffin and squeeze some in, and go ahead and use it all up. Next, you want to take some granulated sugar and put it right on top of the muffins. And now they can go into your oven, which is preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or about 175 degrees Celsius. And these will take 25 to 35 minutes until they're golden brown and they have a nice spring back in the middle when you touch them. This is what they should look like when they come out of the oven.
Thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. Take care and have a good one.
Hey guys, before you go, remember to pick up your copy of my book, 242 Thoughts of a Baker, Volume 1. It's available at Amazon.com. The link's below in the description. Thanks. Have a good one.